Welcome back, generals, to another Let's Fix Generals 0 hour to make the best game ever. And I think I ran into a little problem here with unassemblize. There was a assert hitting when clicking on a particular function. So I would say we have to check what's up with that thing. So I click on this one, then I click on this one, and then I click on this one, and then we get an error. Assert. And the assert is that this label is empty somehow. And I wonder what's up with that. So we're looking at matched function indices. Is compared. Yeah. For some reason, it doesn't have a label. But is this legal? Okay, that's bad music here. Okay, why is this label empty? Why? That can't be. That can't be. How can it be empty? How can it be empty? Why are any of these empty? That's a question. They all should have a label. Hold on. UI infos. M files 0. Let's see, where are these populated? Update name function UI infos. active named function indices. Get active. Update named function UI infos. Oh. I think I understand the issue. It's because we only build the named function on one side, but not on both. Bundles interaction. I think what we need to do is and this is called just here. I think we need to call this function there are two fixes. Either we build either we build it on all immediately, or function. Yeah, either we build it on all straight away, so they're already update name function UI infos. Bundles interaction. So this is called bundle filter bundle list. Get active. Get active names all. Select the bundle all name function. Yeah. Okay, this is a problem. Yeah. But we don't need to change it here. The simple fix would be to just look at either side where we can get the UI info from. So on one side, it has to be built because we selected in the UI. But on one side, it's possible that it's not ready yet. Yeah. Because this is only building the function UI infos on the active ones. Yeah. I wonder if it would make sense to build the UI infos straight after the mismatched update. I suspect that it's okay. Let's now I need to get the set again to get the place. Okay, I know a simple fix, but I do wonder if there is a greater problem that maybe we should attend. So the issue happens when we select this function because this one is yeah. So function matched functions. Yeah. So we should get a function. Let's get I also realized that there is duplicate UI info data. Yeah. Okay, so I think we need to create a function. name function UI info. Get bool is valid. Return mlabel dot empty, not empty. So I create a function get valid named function UI info. For a matched function. Const. Let's put it here. Get first valid named function UI info. Okay. All right. And then we do for int I equals 0, index t equals 0, I smaller than 2 plus plus I return null pointer index pair and function index I UI infos files name function UI infos and name function index, and then put an I here, UI infos info, and then if UI info is valid, then return that UI info. Otherwise, return null pointer. Then we go to mgui app, and then we can remove this guy and these guys, and we call descriptor dot get that, and we return const matched. No, what did it return? name function UI info. UI info pointer. Right. And then here we put assert UI info is not null pointer. So one of these is expected to be valid. UI info. UI info. There we go. Okay, I think this will work. Remove this. Okay, and now we press here, and voila, there it is. Yeah. Okay. So I wonder, like, if we create a new assembler comparison window, and we compare here. So my suspicion is when we, let's go to single bundle, and here as well. Yeah, and then let's uncheck this one. Yeah, so I suspect if we now select here, it won't get updated here. Yeah, it updates when we click it though. I think that's fine. Yeah. Okay. I guess that's good enough. So in the comparison descriptor in the UI infos list, where is it? This one, name function UI infos. So this function is called whenever we select a new bundle, right? So like we select here bundle, and then we have some indices, 6 here in this case, and then it updates named function match info. Match info name. Label empty or value change. So this update is pretty fast, but yeah, still there's a bit of computation every time we select the bundle. It has to go through this update again. Yeah. Yeah, I think it's fine. Do we see any lag when we select this? We can't switch bundle here. It would be interesting to like swap between like a bundle and then this big bundle. It's pretty fast here. Yeah, if it becomes a performance concern, then I guess it can be revisited. Maybe we can add a comment. Yeah. Perhaps UI infos should be built once earlier and not on every bundle interaction. Not on every bundle interaction. Yeah. Okay, anyway, we fixed the asserts. That's good. Okay. So is valid const return not label empty. Then we have this new function here. If is valid, return this, otherwise return null pointer. Yep. Right. Okay. Fix assert when selecting a matched function on the right side that was not present on the left side. Good. Got that. All right. Good. That was a good fix. Then. What we could also do is maybe we have matched function UI infos, right? No, we don't. We have bundle UI info and named function UI info. And huh? Okay. But we don't have matched function UI info. Maybe it would have made sense to do that. No, maybe not. I wonder if we compare here two files, and let's say we select here this, and well, let's go to single bundle. We take all these guys, and then we go to page 3. Yeah. What happens if we now press load all and we recompare? Ah, okay, the state is the same. Good. The page doesn't flip. Yeah, good. All right, that's fair. Good. Let's do it again. Compare. Yeah. All right. Mm-hmm. Good. Then I would say let's look at our pending pull requests. There have been quite a few. So let's look at the confirmation dialog. So he said, I found and fixed a bug that was causing it to always remove the most recently added file instead of the one selected for removal. Merged with latest and tested. It's working for me now. Okay, good. Let's take his branch. Fetch and prune. All right, so confirmation dialog. There we go. So we pull Okay, let's also merge it with the latest here. Merge branch. Right. Let's push it. Okay, let's see if that works. Stop debugging. Yeah. So this one, let's take a look at it. Erased and erase index. What is this? If erased and erase index equals -1. Okay, let's see if it works. Nope. Nope. Does not work. Okay. Let's take a look at this function. It looks like he probably didn't test this case somehow, but for us it's 100%. I'm wondering. Okay, so this, how is this called? Descriptor, remove file, open pop-up. So I think this is also in our demo, right? Let's see how it is in the imgui demo. demo here, remove fire. Pop-ups modal, pop-ups modal, pop-ups delete. There we go. All those beautiful files will be deleted. This operation cannot be undone. Okay, let's see how this is implemented here. Items picker, there we go. Call stack. Okay, open pop-up, delete, good. And then what happens? Open pop-up, delete. Ah, begin pop-up modal, delete. Always auto resize. Appearing. Always center this window when appearing. Delete harder. What? Delete harder. Delete harder. Okay, so this is our reference sample. Let's keep it safe. So in principle, this is how to make it work. Right? So how did he implement it then? Let's see, imgui app. So if imgui button delete, then open pop-up. So we have the same here. Button remove. By the way, this should be just button remove. Okay, so imgui pop-up. So the first thing I'm seeing here is that this seems to be redundant. Like if you have bool confirmed, if this is true, then this is true. That means you can simply say erase equals that, right? There's no need for a middleman. Open pop-up, delete. Open pop-up, remove file. Okay, I don't know why this is always red underlined here. There is one problem I see already, and that is this one. It shouldn't be outside of this. So it should be const char, what is this called? Modal name. There we go. And then this one should be name, because we can't have this disconnect here. Const char name. It's pop-up name. Let's remove file, and then it will be here, open pop-up, and here. Right. Good. So that's number one. Move file confirmation pop-up. All right. So here we have this get main viewport, get center, set next window post center appearing. Okay, so it's the same here. That's fine. So there is a message. Are you sure you want to remove this file from this? It does not delete it from disk. Min width. Okay. I think this one we can simplify to this. .f min width. Confirmed as false. Always auto resize, yeah. Text, spacing, available, width. Button width, button. Button width. Confirm true. Close current pop-up. Cancel. Close pop-up. Confirmed. Confirmed. Let's put this here at the top. Const message. This message should be in here. Confirmed. Set item default focus. Okay. So this one is focus. Indent, buttons width. I don't know why this is here. It's to center the buttons, I guess. Yeah, to me it looks like this is here to center those two buttons. Does it do the same here? No. Button size. Buttons width. Times 2. Say center the buttons in the dialog. center the two buttons, the dialog. F. All right. Okay, so this is a little bit clean. I guess the bug will still be there now, but we can, yeah, we can test what happens. We can debug and see why it's calling it. Oh. Did we already fix it? Huh. Okay, I did not, what fixed it then? Could it be because of this here? Who's calling this function here? Aha, I see the error. So this one is uninitialized, and he only set it to a value at under a special condition. Like so erase has no initialization, right? It's just garbage value. And then here he only set it to true when the confirmation came in, but it needs to be set to a value at all times, right? That there was a bug. So erased. Yeah, so this is called always now. That's good. Actually, is it? Let's see. Yeah, it is. Yeah. Good. Okay, so this function looks okay to me now. Let me see. So he changed this one here. Erase index this. What is up with it? This I don't yet understand. If erased and erase index equals that. That doesn't make sense, or does it? he write about this? He said that was causing it to always remove the most recently added file instead of the one selected for removal. Size glitch and remove. Preserve file index. Prevent size glitch. I'm not convinced that this here is necessary because I'm not convinced that this is needed. Let's remove this. Because I suspect it bugged for him because of this uninitialized nature. I think that was, yeah, he probably ran into some issue with erased. Yeah. Yeah, I see how this would happen. So on the stack or wherever this erases, yeah, on the stack, it would like then be true after you clicked one of these, and then on the next iteration, it would still be true because this one wouldn't set it, and it would just assume this value, and then here this would be true again because it's uninitialized and it just took the value that was there on the stack already, which was true from the previous iteration. And then I think that's how it would then bug, and that's why he added this check to prevent this. But that only happened because it was bugged elsewhere before already. Yeah. Good. So my expectation is that this now works correctly. So we can add a file. There we go. And we can remove it. There is a pop-up. Are you sure you want to remove this file from the list? It does not delete it from disk. Are you sure you want to remove this file from the list? It does not delete it from disk. Okay, cancel. Okay, cancel. I do like that they are centered, but I don't like the way it's like written in code. Before I look at this, let's test first that it works. So we can remove here. Let's type something in here. And we remove this one, and it does. Let's remove file 7. 7 is gone. Let's remove 11. 11 is gone. Let's remove 6. Let's click remove and enter. That doesn't work. Huh, would be nice if we could confirm it with, we need to click it. What happens if we now move it? It's always centered. Why are these buttons gray? I don't think they should be. I think they should be blue. I think they are gray because okay, let's delete this here. And let's go in here. And we go in here. And I think they are gray because of the style. It's also applied to the confirmation dialog. So what we need to do is actions buttons. So we put this here and there, like that. And then the pop-up name, put up here. So const expr, const char. All right. So this should give us now blue buttons, the default ones. Compare, no, not compare. Add, remove. Yeah, now the buttons are blue. Show confirmation dialog. I wonder, so for the file dialog button, we have a last file dialog placement. Apply placement, next window. Fetch placement from window by name. Okay, how about we copy this thing, put it also into our program. I wonder, cancel. If we click browse here and we put it here, cancel, browse. If we now restart the, if we restart the app, will it remember? Or not? It does. But not if we click a different button first. I wonder if we um I'm not sure why it's not directly in here. Let's put in there. Let's make all this const. Okay. Good. Then let's test once more. Boy, the boot time with a big ini file is really long. All right, so add file, remove, confirmation. Yep. Right. Okay. Then let's fix it. Let's submit that. Okay, so there's just a formatting. So we'll fix this one. We edit const, confirm, blah, sure. Const expr pop-up name, remove file. Pop-up name, remove file. Okay, I think we're good. All right, fix fix uninitialized value. Fix uninitialized value. Fix button size. Fix button color. And minor code tweaks. There we go. Good. Then let's push that. Push. All right. And then we can look at it once more here. All right, so we have blah 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 button width blah 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 cancel blah 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 erased. Vector type name. Okay, I think that looks good to me. Then proof. And squash and merge. Before file removal. All right. Good. Then pull latest. Fetch a prune. Delete. Okay. So what I would like to do next is move this to our MISC. ImGUI MISC, just have a confirmation pop-up, a generic one with OK and cancel. And then we can also make it remember its position if it was moved. Okay, so first we would take this guy and we put it here in ImGUI MISC. file dialog. Okay, let's rename this to show confirmation pop-up. We give it a name and we give it a message. Const char message. Yeah, and then we take this guy, put it in here. Then the message we put it here. Name, message, and everything else is the same. Yeah, and then we take this guy and then we so we have pop-up name, const x char pop-up message. Then we pass it here. And then call it show confirmation dialog. All right. Not sure if const export makes sense here. Maybe we check const char const. you sure you want to remove this file from the list? It will not. It will not be deleted from disk. Okay. Okay, so next step, let's go to img and let's see if we can restore position and size of any last. Let's go here, extern. Why is this extern? I don't know. Does it have to be extern? We're not really reading it, right? At least not at the moment. Let's do last confirmation dialog placement. Okay, so how do we do it? Restore position and size. Set window. Apply placement. Next window. Size constraints. Appearing. Hidden inactive for the first time. Let's make a bool here. Bool. Return true. Return false. Size constraints. Size constraints. So I would say, then say if this last confirmation dialog. Confirmation dialog. So if not this confirmation dialog placement, then we put this one here. And then fetch placement from window. Fetch placement from window. I think we need another function here. Window pos. Find window by name. Here, get window pos. Consider always using get cursor screen pos. Fetch placement from current window. Placement. There we go. Placement pos. Angry. Placement size. There we go. Placement. I wonder if this we should change to appearing. Maybe. Okay, and then here we say fetch placement from current window. There we go. Let's see if that works. Delete this one. So we add a file. Let's see if this one still works. Let's move it here. Cancel. Yeah, that seems to work. Good. Then let's see this one. So we have remove. Okay, let's move this. Cancel. Okay, that works. Great. I wonder why can't we use get current window with the other one here? Why do we have to use by name here? Display because it ends the window, right? Yeah, we are not inside the window. I see. Instance class. I would like to actually decouple the button from this thing here and have also like a show this kind of dialog, because I think it's a bit bad that the button is tied to this, because what if we wanted to show this file dialog without a button, right? Then this would not be compatible. So I wonder if you can decouple this in a meaningful way. Title key is using internals. Yeah, title key. Okay, but maybe we can already submit what we currently have, because it seems to work. Set next window pause. Pivot. How about we always center it on the first try, the same as we do here. We do the same thing. If it is the first, center it. Okay, the center we can also move in here. Let's move this down here. Actually, let's put it up here. All right. Good. So now the file dialog should also be always centered on the first try. Okay. So if we click here, it is in the center, then we move it, cancel. Now it's here, yeah. And if we restart the app, then on the next time it will be in the center again. That's always our default position. I think this makes sense, yeah. There you go. What about the size though? Like let's say we make it large like this. Yeah. So now it remembers this. Now we close it. Now it remembered the size. And reset the position. Display. Set next window pause. Max size. Set next window size constraints. We set min size. Min size. Next window size. 600. I wonder. const expra min size invec 2 min size 600 300 600.f min size set next window size min size. Okay, so now center and resize it. Hold on, there's a mistake. Min size, there we go. Okay, so now it would always create put it back to min size the first time you open it, yeah, like that, right? So then we resize it, and then it remembers, and then on the next one it also uses the same. Yeah. Okay, that's fair. Remove. Cancel. Cancel. Okay. Good. I think that is good. Min size. If it is the first, center and resize it. If it is the first opened dialog. Then center it. This dialog, it cannot be resized. Okay. All right, good. Then good. So here we added the Boolean, we added a new function, fetch placement from current window, show confirmation pop-up. Maybe, yeah, pop-up is fine. Could also say dialog, but it doesn't matter. Yeah, okay. We removed this thing here. We need to remove the comment. Ta-da, ta-da. Yeah, there we go. I think we can also make it static. Static. There we go. And yeah, so extern, blah, blah, okay. And static, bool, blah, blah, return true, false, okay. This function, min size. If not apply, then Is the first open dialog, then center and resize it. Yep. Min size. Show confirmation pop-up. Confirmed, blah, blah. Restore position and size of any last confirmation dialog. If it is the first open dialog, then center it. Pop-up. Okay, so here we remove this and that. Then the pop-up name, pop-up message, show confirmation pop-up. And that, okay. Good, so move confirmation pop-up code to imgui misc. Remember or restore remembered pop-up position. Restore remembered pop-up position. Center the center and resize the first file dialog pop-up. Confirmation dialog. Move confirmation dialog code to imgui misc. Restore remembered confirmation dialog position. Well, let's say save and restore confirmation dialog positions. Save and restore confirmation dialog positions. Center and resize the first file dialog. Commit. Okay, then the next step would be to try decouple the button from the file dialog somehow. Maybe we can figure it out. Yeah, let's look into this next session. I think it's good. It's ripe for a break here. Yeah, and I think we can strip this out. I think that would be good. And then, yeah. Good. Yeah. Good. Then we take a break here. Good progress, I would say. Then I wish you a great day or night. Until next time. Goodbye.